Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to explain you how we can convert from one number system to another number system. So first I am going to explain you from decimal number system to binary number system. Decimal number system to binary number system. Let us take one example. 29. 29 is given in decimal number system and we want to convert it in. So we can convert from division. So we will use here base of the binary number system is 2. So we will 2, 2 4s are 8. Next 2 7s are 14. 6. Remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2. So just write from bottom to top where the arrow is pointing. So we will write 1 1 1 0 1. Okay. So convert decimal number system to binary number system, and next we are going decimal number system. Let us take one example. We can take the previous one also. What we have got from there, 1 1 0 1. Suppose number system and we want to convert it in decimal number system. Okay, how? Write the numbers 1 1 1 and to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power 3, to the power 4. Okay, just write like, or when you do the practice then there is no need to write like this. Okay, so 1 into 2 the power 0 plus 0 into 2 the power 1. 1 into 2 the power 3 to the power 4. Okay, so in this way we can write it to the 1 into 2 the power 0. So from here what we will get, 1 plus 0, 4 into 1 will come 4, 2 to the power 3 means 8, 8 into 1 8, and to the power 4 16. So just add all these digits, 16 8 24 plus 4 28 plus 1 29. So look at here, we get our result. So in this way we can convert binary number system to decimal number system. Similarly, we can convert it from decimal to octal number system. Okay, let us take one example. octal decimal number system to octal number system. So let us take one example to understand this. Suppose I have taken 2, 4, 3. It is given in decimal number system and we want to convert it in octal number system. Two, 4, 3, 8 threes 24, 0 and remainder is 3. Just write the remainder. Again 8 threes 24 and remainder is 6. So this will be your answer, 3, 6, 3. Okay. So in this way you can convert decimal number system to octal number system. Similarly, if we want to convert number system to decimal number system. So what we got the result 363. So 363. Now it is to convert it in decimal number system. 363. So what we do, 8 to the power 0 plus 6 into power 1 plus 3 8 to the power 2. Just 3 into 64, 8 6 are 48 and carry is 1, 3 6 are 18, 1 19 plus 48, 8 to 10, then 3, carry is 1, 4 9 13 plus carry 14, carry is 1 and 2. Look at here. So in this way you can convert octal number system to decimal number system. Going to understand that how we can convert octal number system to binary system. To convert octal number system to binary number system, just write the octal number and its binary equivalent. Like 1 0 0 1, 2 0 1 3, 0 1 1 4, 1 0 0 1, 6 1 1 0, 7 1 1 1. So in this way you can convert octal number to binary number. Let us take one example to understand this. We want to convert octal number system. So suppose in octal number system 345 is given in octal number system, and we want to convert it in binary number system. So what we do, we just write the binary equivalents of the given values in octal number system. So for 3 we will write 0 1 1, 4 we will write 1 0 0, and 5 1 0 1. So just write these binary equivalents. Binary values. So in this way we can convert the octal number system to binary number system. Now last for today's lecture, binary number system to octal number system. Binary number system to octal number system. So octal number system is, so let us take one example, 1 1 1 0 1 1. Suppose that this one given to us and we want to convert it in binary to octal. So just make the pair from the right hand side, 1 1 1, then 1 0 1. Here is one digit less, so we will add a 0 in the left side. Okay, so now just we know that 0 1 1, the values in binary is equivalent to its octal number system, which is 3. 1 0 1 is for 5 and 1 1 1 is for 7. So this is your octal number for the given binary number. So thank you students for watching this video. In next video we will do more conversions. Till then, goodbye.